Hello guys, this is Jake from Scratch Tutorials, and today we're gonna learn how to make an RPG character in Scratch. So now, wait, what's that? Is that what? Is that the Nerf Elite 2.0 Shockwave? Oh, what is it gonna do to Scratch Cat? Oh shoot! Oh, poor Scratch Cat. He got a Nerf bullet in his eye. Might as well put him out of his misery right now. All right. Let's just, yeah. Now that we actually have a blank project, we should probably get started on making the RPG character, which is pretty straightforward. You just have the actual dude facing sideways. So now that we have him facing sideways, we actually need to duplicate this, and well, we got to make this have a walking animation. So now that this is over with, as you can see, Jerold, that's his name now. It's Jerold. Jerold can walk. It's not the smoothest, but so now we need the front of Jerold. So just make the front of Jerold. Okay, now that we have the front of Jerold, we gotta make the front of Jerold walk. So now if you can look at Jerold, he is doing the Irish jig. But he's walking, just know that. And finally, we need a back of Jerold. A cool trick is you just make the front of Jerold, right? Take away, we take away his face, and we just make Jerold's fresh fade. So this is now the back of Jerold moving. Now let's add some color. Poof! Jerold now has color, and so now that he has color, we actually are going to center him. Now we're actually gonna do some coding. We are going to set Jerold's size to probably like 50, because he needs to be a tiny boy. See, that's Jerold down there. And now, poor Jerold, he needs to be able to move. But here's the catch. He's not going to move, but we will get to that later. Because it's gonna be a squirrel. It's hard to explain now. Just wait. Okay. And so now we can go to the costumes, but first we need a forever and an if block, and we are going to say if key. Let's not use WASD obviously, because we're noobs at Scratch. Now when we press up arrow, it's going to switch to cat A and cat B3. And now that it's at cat B3, what we're gonna do is we're gonna have it wait 0.1 seconds, and we're going to switch to costume cat B4. And so now let's look at Jerold. He's skedaddling, if you can't tell. And so now we just basically copy and paste this for all of the other ones. And so now that we're at right arrow and left arrow, we actually, instead of making a complete different set of costumes, because well, we're not stupid to like come on, we're not Jerold. So we are actually going to first of all set the rotation style to left and right, and then we got to do, if right arrow is pressed, point in the right direction. We got to point right, like so that he knows to look right. When the left arrow is pressed, he's gonna look left. Watch this. Jerold, he can move. Thank you guys for watching how to make your RPG character in your RPG game. Wait 1 second before we go. Yeah, we don't capitalize Jerold's name. Alright, so if you enjoyed what you saw, like and subscribe, because that will make you a part of the you will be a part of the Jerold chrater. Alright, I'll see you later.